Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, we are going to talk about the descriptive portion in SEBI legal exam. How you should write descriptive answers, what key points you should keep in head while writing descriptive answers. The descriptive portion is present in phase 2 of your SEBI legal exam. In phase 2, there are two papers. Paper 1 is descriptive English, which is online based. You will have to type the answers. Here you will have three questions. One is essay of 30 marks, another is comprehension of 40 marks and précis of 30 marks. This is of 1 hour paper and 100 marks paper. Then you have paper 2 in which there is 70 questions which are objective type and there are 3 descriptive questions each of 10 marks. This is also an online examination. You will have to type your answers. Here you will have a choice of attempting 3 questions out of 5. So you will have 5 questions and you have to attempt 3 out of it. You will be given 60 minutes for descriptive portion of this and 60 for objective portion. Coming to your phase 2 syllabus. In your phase 2 syllabus, there is criminal law, evidence, corporate law and securities law, and you can expect descriptive question from any of these areas. This is the weightage of objective question. The descriptive question can come from any of the topics. For further details, we will refer to information handout of phase 2 of 2023 exam. So you know the structure of the exam. Here you are also given the type of questions that you can expect in the exam. So you see over here in the descriptive English paper for essay, you have to write essay on any one of the topics in about 400 words. So in information handout, 400 words were asked to be written. Now this may vary, it may be 250, 300, 400. So in any of these ranges, you will have to write your essay. So these were the topics that were given in the information handout. Then you have a précis and you have to write the précis in about 120 words of the passage that is given to you. And after that you have reading comprehension. The passage for reading comprehension and précis is different. Then coming to your legal portion, first of all objective questions and then sample descriptive question is also given. The sample descriptive question was from IPC section 120A about criminal conspiracy, the basic ingredients of criminal conspiracy and how is it punishable. Since in legal descriptive each question is of 10 marks, it can have 1 or 2 parts. As you can say under section 120A, what is criminal conspiracy? This is part A of the question. What are basic ingredients of criminal conspiracy and how is it punishable? So there are 3 parts of this question. Now you can equally divide the score between them. It's about 3, 3 or 4, somewhere like this. You will have to write this entire answer in 250 to 300 words. Now when you are starting to write any answer in the legal descriptive, first of all, briefly write the context. Here directly definition is asked of criminal conspiracy. Otherwise, you will have to write a little bit brief about the topic and then go on elaborating the topic. If this topic is from IPC evidence, you can also include 1 or 2 case laws. Don't fill your answer completely with case laws, but write a comprehensive answer in 3 to 4 paragraphs. So first of all, a brief introduction, then elaboration, body of the answer, and then move to the conclusion. It also depends upon the type of question that you are answering. We will discuss this more in detail in the workshop that I am conducting on Thursday 16th of May at 6 p.m. In this, we'll be discussing in detail how to write descriptive answers, how to practice, how at iExamB we evaluate your answers, what key points you should keep in head while drafting your answers, and how to increase your speed to write those answers in a span of 1 hour. So we'll be discussing in detail everything related to descriptive answers, both for English descriptive and legal descriptive in this workshop. If you are interested, if you want to join this workshop, you will have to register using the link that is present in the description below. Register for this workshop, join the workshop, and we'll get into a detailed discussion. I'll try to answer all your queries related to descriptive answers. I hope to see you there. We also have SEBI Grade A Legal online course, both for phase 1 and phase 2 preparation, in which you will find study material, course videos, mock tests, practice question, MCQ booklet, summary sheets, and also for descriptive legal there are 10 mock tests which we will evaluate on a comprehensive basis. So you can get yourself enrolled and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.